Hello lovelies, welcome back. So today I am going to talk about this beginner friendly brush set. This brush set is 32 pieces and I purchased this from the all-in-one store and it did not break the bank. This is a budget friendly brush set for beginners and professionals. This is what it looks like. You see this? This is amazing. Okay, you get all 32 of these brushes for eyeshadow, for contouring, for applying your foundation, doing your eyeshadow, eyebrows, everything you can think of to practice on, whether you're a beginner or you're a professional. And I paid $19.99 for this set, which is excellent. So if you're in the market for some brushes and you don't want to break the bank, check out your all-in-one stores, your dollar stores, your discount places, basically, and also Amazon. This brush set, I saw this on Amazon for even less than what I paid for this brush set. So this is a bargain. And for a beginner like me, I don't want to go out and invest like $100 or, because some of these brushes are very expensive, especially for the so-called professional brush sets. They're going to run you into a lot of money. So why not try this? I'm going to practice with these brushes. It comes with this little case to put the brushes in when you take them out of this this package. And I think it's great for a beginner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack this open and I am going to use this in the future, and you can see how my makeup skills improve. I hope they improve, but I'm trying to do things so that my makeup can improve. I think that I'm doing a little bit better than what I did when I first started, because I did have the everyday routine. I would wear 5 products, my eyebrows, I would do eyeliner, I would wear lip gloss or lipstick and foundation, and that's it. So I do want to step up my makeup skills. Not for every day, because I think every day for me should be a little bit more natural and subtle. But when I step out, y'all, I want to be snatched, okay? And I want that face beat to perfection. Alright, so this is just a little short video. Maybe you ladies want to join me and pick up a little kit like this. Very inexpensive for you to just practice. Even if you just want to just play around with makeup and just want to get your skills up, just in case you might want to get snatched when you go somewhere. You want to be looking beat and fabulous. You might want to do this, because this doesn't cost a whole lot of money. Of course, you got to buy the other things. You got to buy the makeup after that, but you can start out like I did. I use very budget friendly makeup and very budget friendly everything. You see that? The po-po is in the house. Okay, now, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, if you got anything out of this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I upload on Mondays and Fridays. Also, ladies, it does come with this bag to put your brushes in so that you don't lose any of them. This is so cool. I can't believe this set was only $19.99. Okay, I'm going to leave all the information down in the description box, and where you can get some comparable brushes to this for even less than this price. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.